Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola Edge for Verizon Prepaid. So this is just the regular Moto Edge here. This is the 2022 version, of course. So it's available now in mineral gray there, 256 gigabytes of storage, and it's $659.99 for retail price and the contracts, of course. So this is the prepaid version that we're looking at here. It's also available on Verizon Prepaid as well. So yeah, there's the phone right there, front and back. Very nice looking phone. It looks like any other Motorola phone as of recently. So yeah, Verizon also offers the Moto Edge Plus as well for a bit more, probably like $100 more, and the spec sheet is probably a bit better on that one, obviously, because it costs a bit more on the Moto Edge Plus. The only difference that I could see between the two phones as of right now is the storage options. The Moto Edge Plus has 512 gigabytes of storage, and in this one, the Moto Edge has 256 gigabytes of storage. Right? So yeah, so that's the front and back. Of course, you guys got your hole punch there for your front facing camera there, earpiece about that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, your clock there, which I am a big fan of. Nice looking wallpaper. Here's the back of the Moto Edge. You guys got your triple camera system, dual LED flash, your Motorola logo down the back, and yeah, it's front and back there. That's the front there. Very nice looking phone. Right side power button, volume keys. Left side micro SD and SIM card slot, I'm assuming. On the back of the Moto Edge is your triple camera system, dual LED flash, your Motorola logo. I don't know why I said it like that, but I did. Right side again. Left side. Very nice looking phone. It has like this gray color. It's like a matte finish, so that's pretty good to resist fingerprints and whatnot. So the Moto Edge gets up to 36 hours of usage time, 2.9 inches width, 6.3 inches height, up to 2 days of standby time. Okay, that's kind of interesting. You get 3 cameras in the back, like I said. You get a 50 megapixel quad pixel technology camera, optical image stabilization. You get an Omni, basic text and autofocus, cutout, panorama, AR stickers, pro mode with long exposure, depth sensor camera. Those are the features that are with the camera. So features, it says here, meet the Motorola Edge 2022 version, of course. A device designed with both entertainment and experience in mind. With Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network, you get an ultra fast, ultra powerful smartphone experience. Watch your favorite entertainment in true to life color on an ultra smooth OLED display. Take sharp photos using the ultra high res camera system. Motorola fastest, most accurate autofocus. Go up to 2 days on a single charge and fill up fast with turbo power. Upgrade your smartphone experience with Motorola Edge 2022 and pair it with Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network for an ultra fast, ultra powerful smartphone experience. Alright. See more with an ultra smooth, true to color display. Watch your favorite about your favorite entertainment in true to life color and with stunning clarity on an fast and fluid 6.6-inch high def OLED display featuring cinematic standards for color, range, brightness, color accuracy, and more. Alright. Take your best shots with the ultra high-res camera using the fastest, most accurate autofocus and Motorola's lineup. Take crystal clear photos in any lighting. Capture more of your view using the ultra wide lens, or take stunning high resolution self-portraits with a dedicated selfie camera. 2-day battery life and blazing fast charging with the Moto Edge 2022. I am using Moto Edge because it's easy to say. You can go up to 2 days on a single charge and fill up fast with turbo power 30 or wireless charging. So pretty cool. So you will get 30-watt charging, and you also get wireless charging as well. Fast performance powered by an impressive processor. Enjoy smooth gaming, 5G ultra wideband connectivity, and amazing camera experiences with the MediaTek Dimensity 1050 processor. Powerful performance and smooth user experiences go hand in hand with the Moto Edge 2022 when you pair with Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. Verizon adaptive sound for premium audio with its built-in stereo speakers powered by Verizon's adaptive sound. The Moto Edge 2022 delivers superior audio quality, bringing in immersive 3D surround sound, added clarity, crispness, rich trebles, and deeper basses. Verizon adaptive sound enhances all content, music, video games, and any connected device, earbuds, speakers, headphones, etc. It also features a user-friendly interface for easy customization. Alright. Says unleash your phone with Ready For. Connect wirelessly to a TV to play mobile games, make video calls, and use your phone apps on the big screen with Ready For. Move your phone's games to the big screen for a huge boost in gameplay. Feel like you're right in the room during video calls, or use your apps on a desktop display, giving you more space to work and play. So the Ready For, it's kind of like Samsung Dex. It's kind of like Samsung Dex a little bit. If you guys know what Samsung Dex is, Ready For is pretty much the same concept. You can mirror your phone to your TV and all that, and you can do whatever you want on your phone to your TV and stuff like that. So that's a pretty cool feature there. Yeah. Do more with ample storage. Never worry about running out of space with tons of built-in storage. You have plenty of room for photos, movies, songs, apps, and games with tons of built-in storage. Specs. So the Moto Edge has up to 36 hours of usage time, 5,000 mAh battery, 30-watt turbo power charging, 6.3 inches height, 2.9 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. The Moto Edge 2022 weighs 6 ounces. Exactly 6 ounces. It has a USB Type-C for charging. Obviously, that's pretty much standard now. Mineral gray there is your color option. National material 6000 series aluminum coating over the glass. Alright, that's pretty awesome. Smooth 6.6 inch Full HD plus OLED display. Refresh rate 144 Hz, which is pretty awesome. 20:9 aspect ratio. Up to 2 days of standby time according to this, which is kind of confusing to me, which is kind of interesting, but it's interesting but confusing to me at the same time. 15-watt wireless charging, which is nice. Power, so you will get that option on here, which it will give you 5-watt reverse charging, so that's a pretty cool feature. Front camera, 32 megapixel selfie camera with quad pixel technology, dual capture, spot color, night vision, portrait live filter. The rear cameras, you will get 3 of them. You get a 50 megapixel quad pixel technology, optical image stabilization, omni focus detection, autofocus, cutout, AR stickers, pro mode with long exposure, depth sensor. So they don't tell you what the cameras are. I know one of them is a depth sensor. I know that. You have a MediaTek Dimensity 1050 processor, Android 12 of course, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Of course, you have hotspot, obviously, fingerprint. So you have an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is nice, and you have ThinkShield for mobile. I don't know what that is. Bluetooth 5.2. You have Google Assistant, of course, and you have Alexa as well as your voice assistants. Hearing aid compatibility is 5G. You do get 5G nationwide, of course. 5G ultra wideband. You will get 4G as well. Global and roaming network, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi 6 on here as well, and Wi-Fi hotspot. World device works in over 200 countries depending on what plan you have. There's your SAR ratings and whatnot. If you guys need help with your Moto Edge, Verizon is here to help you out with that with device support. So it says here, Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So that's very nice. So what comes in the box here is y'all guys get the Moto Edge smartphone, USB-C to USB-C cable, SIM tool and pre-install SIM card, and your Verizon guides like terms and conditions and stuff like that. It does not come with a charger in the box. You guys will have to provide your own charger if you guys don't have one. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Moto Edge 2022 is not here at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get like a mid-range flagship smartphone on Verizon Prepaid, the Moto Edge is worth taking a look at here. Like I said, there's 2 versions of this phone. There's the Moto Edge that we're looking at here, and there's also a Moto Edge Plus that Verizon offers on postpaid and prepaid as well. But that's like but this one's like $100 cheaper than the Moto Edge Plus. So if you guys want to check this phone out, it's available now for $659.99 for retail price, no contracts, obviously. But if you guys want the more beefier version of the phone, the Moto Edge Plus is also available for a bit more, and it has double the storage on it. So check the phone out. Very nice looking phone. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.